Hi everyone, this is a tutorial video for the S180 Silicone 3D printer to introduce specifications for the machine. First, let's take a look at the top of the machine. There are three axes here: E-axis, I-axis, and J-axis. This is the main specialty of the S180. We can use two-part silicone with the I-axis and use J-axis for water-soluble support material. This machine has two independent nozzles operating simultaneously, the left one for silicone and the right one for support material. They can move independently to avoid interference during printing. It also has X-axis, Y-axis, and Z platform, just like other 3D printers.